morning, students. Today we will go for learning of the Stock Holding Corporation of India Limited (SHCIL) as a part of the Capital Markets Unit 4 in the Indian Financial System subject for MCOM first semester students. Myself is Dr. K.V. Somnath, GS College of Commerce, Varta. Let us go for the brief introduction of SHCIL, Stock Holding Corporation of India Limited. It is India's largest custodian and depository participant based in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Stock Holding Corporation of India Limited was established in 1986 as a public limited company and is a subsidiary of IFCI. SHCIL is known for its online trading portal with investors and traders. It is also responsible for e-stamping system around India. It is also authorized by Reserve Bank of India as agency bank to distribute and receive Government of India's Savings Relief Bond 2003 along with nationalized banks. The corporate structure of the Stock Holding Corporation of India is as follows. It has three subsidiaries. One is Stock Holding Corporation of India Limited Services Limited, which is acting as a stock brokering service. Second is Stock Holding Document Management System Limited, provides end-to-end document storage and digitalization services. Third one is Stock Holding Securities IFSC Limited, a SEBI registered intermediary operating out of GIFT IFSC, Gandhinagar, Gujarat, and catering to eligible foreign investors and NRIs and FPIs from FATF compliant jurisdictions as of now. Now the operation. The operations of the SHCIL includes one is the domestic presence, second is GIFT IFSC presence, third one is e-stamping and so on and so forth. So first of all, what is the domestic presence? SHCIL has over 200 branches and in 100 cities around India. It currently caters to 50 million customers across the country. The GIFT IFSC presence. SHCIL's subsidiary Stock Holding Securities IFSC Limited is operating out of India's first international financial services center at GIFT City, Gandhinagar, Gujarat, catering to eligible foreign investors, FPIs and NRIs from FATF compliant jurisdiction as of now. You can look on the website of www.stockholdingifsc.com. Next one is e-stamping. The main e-stamping facility was opened on 3rd July 2008 in New Delhi, India and was inaugurated by the Chief Minister of Delhi. The goal of the e-stamp was to prevent paper and process-related fraudulent practices, according to the SHCIL chairman and managing director at that time, R.C. Razdan. It implemented the e-stamping facility in 5 cities of Gujarat, Ahmedabad, Gandhinagar, Surat, Rajkot and Baroda, as well as Bangalore in the year March 2008. So what are the various products and services offered by Stock Holding Corporation of India Limited? Basically, the SHCIL starts with providing the personal services. Some of the personal services offered by SHCIL include Demat account creation, insurance, mutual funds, new pension scheme after retirement, GOI bonds, Government of India bonds, IPOs, initial public offers and stock holding. Second one is Gold Rush, a platform that allows users to buy gold online and is one of the only two ways to do so in India. The first one is a direct purchase, second one is the e-purchase. Next, the corporate services. The Demat services for businesses, CSGL services, that is government bonds, trading accounts, NPS accounts, bullion, gold and silver. The fourth one is custodial services. Custodial services include any safekeeping, administration, transaction and further activities done on behalf of a company by its custodian and include fund accounting, FDI, foreign direct investment, company valuation vaults, customized reporting, electronic and physical safekeeping services, clearing and settlement services. Now, what are the beliefs of the customers regarding this SHCIL? It is a trusted company by over 5+ crore customers across India and abroad. It has a wide network of 200+ branches and growing premier custodian of India. It is a pioneer of Demat services. It has a connectivity of over 38 lakh crores of capital and winner of ET Iconic Brands of India. Thank you very much for your patient listening. All the best.